Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you on how to make vanilla sweet cream cold brew. Why? Because these times are kind of tough right now and not everybody wants to go through a drive-through, so why not make it yourself at home? Plus, going to Starbucks every day can get a little pricey, and so this is just a more frugal way to get what you want and it still tastes awesome. Because let me tell you, I've gone through a lot of trial and errors to find out how to really make it taste just like Starbucks. And I think I figured it out. So let's get started. First, I know that this is not a Starbucks cup, this is a Shake Shack cup, but this is the closest thing I have to their grande, which I normally get a tall from there, but today I'm gonna show you with this cup, which would be a grande. First, you want to fill this up as much as possible with ice. I normally go about, almost all the way. So almost to the top. So I'd say about like that, full of ice. Then you want to squirt a little bit of water in there, like a sip worth. You can see the line of water. It's not that much, just a little bit. Because this is a concentrate. You're going to use the cold brew concentrate. You can buy this at Walmart. I have not seen this everywhere, but I have seen it at Walmart. So grab you a jug of this, and it says it makes 8 servings. So you can get 8 times out of this, and it was only $5. So I say that's a bargain. And by the way, it's only 15 calories if you're wondering. So I normally fill it up about to the top of the ice. So I don't think that that's quite 8 ounces. It's probably a little bit less, but we're gonna go with that. Okay, so next I'll put this, which is sweet cream by Natural Bliss, and it says that it's real milk and cream. So if you don't use dairy normally and you normally use almond milk or coconut milk or some other types of milk for this, you might want to use that as an alternative. I'm sorry. So this is going to be measured out. You're going to put 2 tablespoons. This is 1 tablespoon. So you're going to add 1, as you could see. If you don't like it that sweet, that would probably be it for you. Just add 1 of those. I like mine to be really sweet. So I use 2 tablespoons of that. Then I put 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Now this recipe, I did ask one of the baristas in my local area how to make this, and this is what they told me to do. So when I bought all this stuff and I tried it, I noticed that it was, but I just had to tweak it a little bit for my taste. So you're gonna add the heavy whipping cream. And that's just to give it really a lighter flavor because this is not sweet at all. The heavy whipping cream is not sweet. Once you're done adding both of those things, you're gonna need to get this. It's the vanilla syrup, and it comes with a pump, and you can get this at Bed, Bath, and Beyond. And this is about $9.99 for this whole thing. So you're going to pump 2 pumps. Now, if the squirt comes out a half a squirt, I'll usually do 3 pumps, but normally it's just 2 pumps. So you see that was like a half a pump. So then I just added 1.5. So it's kind of like 2.5 since the first pump did not come out correctly. Close the lid, swirl it, get your straw, couldn't taste any better. I'm telling you, this is money. If you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money every day getting your sweet cream cold brew at Starbucks, this is the way to make it. And this is the closest thing that I have found to tasting exactly like theirs. So go out and get you this concentrate and get you the vanilla syrup and the natural bliss. It says sweet cream at the top and heavy whipping cream. This is from Walmart. And you're good to go. So have a good day, and I hope this helped you get closer to your drink in the morning. Bye.